New video coming soon. Hello, SolidWorks enthusiasts. Next week, a new video. The easy way to get started with Weldments in SolidWorks. Subscribe to stay up to date. Enjoy!